small cruise ship down the highway. This is a... Whoa, watch the thrilling face-off between historic and modern equipment as the K700 tractor goes head-to-head.
At EnterClean, we've got the latest and greatest in cleaning tech. Our approach? It's like giving your train a spa day without hitting the brakes. Even brushes can't touch. The Komatsu D375A-8 dozer is a powerful earth-moving machine known for its efficiency and reliability. With its robust build and advanced features, it's designed to tackle even the toughest terrain with ease. The giant KX1600, weighing up to 250 tons, was developed for complex demolition tasks. Owned by Germany's Hodon Group, this machine excels in the toughest environments. Meet the XCMG XDE 440. Released in March 2022, this giant is China's largest rear-drive rigid mining truck. With a load capacity of 400 metric tons, 440 short tons, it stands 3 stories tall. Moving oil platforms is a colossal feat of logistics. These massive structures, often weighing between 10,000 and 20,000 tons and towering up to 60 meters, are usually too large to transport in one piece. Instead, they are dismantled into huge sections and loaded onto specialized vehicles. Given their immense size, precision is crucial. Any mistake could result in millions of dollars in damage or even endanger lives. That's why every movement is meticulously planned and supported by advanced technologies like hydraulic systems and real-time monitoring to ensure safety and accuracy. The big boy locomotives built by the American Locomotive Company in the 1940s are iconic feats of railroad engineering. Designed for Union Pacific to haul massive loads through the Rocky Mountains, these steel giants weigh over 600 tons and stretch more than 40 meters long, making them some of the largest and most powerful steam locomotives ever made. Initially fueled by coal, locomotive number 4014 was later converted to run on fuel oil due to the challenges of coal logistics and fire risks. With massive boilers generating immense steam pressure, big boys could pull over 6,000 tons at speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour. Meet Needs Joule, a leading player in the wind industry known for their reliable and easy-to-maintain vehicles. From transferring sensitive rotor blades with telescopic trailers to using automatic guided vehicles, AGVs, for transporting components, they've got it covered. It seems like there has been a collision between the two trains. The Monchero 201125 harvester is a robust machine tailored for extensive fruit harvesting. Equipped with a 7-inch color screen and MMC trademark, it offers comprehensive control, including reverse camera kit and additional cameras for precise operation monitoring. The Fendt 1167 Vario MT marks the company's debut in North America. Powered by a robust 16.2-liter 6-cylinder MAN engine, it delivers 673 horsepower and 2,286 foot-pounds of torque with a top speed of 25 miles per hour, priced at around $800,000. Turn your excavator into an amphibious beast with big float, the ultimate swamp walker. Thanks to the Remupon 2 undercarriage, it works wonders in the toughest spots, from soft ground to shallow waters. Porsche North America provides top-tier agricultural equipment like planters, seed drills, cultivators, tillage tools, and sprayers, all boosting crop yields and efficiency. Their machines can transplant up to 5,500 seedlings per hour. Embark on an epic adventure with the world's largest wind turbine blades. Designed for the Vestas 5.2-3615 megawatt and Siemens SG 14236DD turbines, these colossal blades begin their journey at the Vestas factory in Knov, Denmark. Witness the awe-inspiring engineering and logistics required to transport these enormous components, showcasing cutting-edge innovation in renewable energy. Watch as a massive truck, loaded with enormous logs, emerges from the dense forest and faces a formidable, slippery incline. Navigating the steep and treacherous path proves challenging for the truck. Enter the hero of the scene, a powerful bulldozer that charges ahead, pushing from behind with relentless force. Together, they conquer the rugged slope, showcasing a dramatic display of teamwork and raw power as the logs are maneuvered safely over the daunting terrain. Watch this monster truck, hauling a colossal rig that's 140 feet long, 17 feet wide, and over 19 feet high. From Texas to Chapania, this beast navigates tight turns with unmatched strength and endurance, proving the skill and bravery of its drivers on every challenging route. The Cat bulldozer as it effortlessly pulls a heavy-duty truck carrying a massive machine. This powerhouse tackles rugged terrain with ease, showcasing its incredible strength and stability. The Cat bulldozer's sheer power and precision ensure the smooth transport of the heavy load, even through the toughest conditions. Witness this incredible logistics achievement, transporting 4 36-meter frames, totaling 20 tons, with flawless precision. This impressive convoy showcases expert planning and top-notch equipment, highlighting the exceptional skill of the team and the reliability of Wasrock's products. Have you ever wondered how giant machines are cleaned? Let's watch this video together to find out. Meet the Komatsu 980E, a fuel-efficient powerhouse mining truck with the muscle to carry 57 African elephants, powered by a 3,500 horsepower engine and capable of reaching speeds up to 40 miles per hour. The LR13000 excels in plant and refinery construction, managing colossal components weighing up to 1,500 tons and measuring 100 meters long. Surprisingly, it's globally transportable at a modest cost, despite its massive size, with components weighing up to 70 tons. Next, the bucket wheel excavator. This massive equipment is a surface mining marvel, extracting minerals from open pit mines, especially lignite in quarries. Meet the Cat D11 dozer. It's not your average bulldozer. With cutting-edge technology, it promises higher productivity at a lower cost, up to 6% lower than competitors. The Caterpillar Road Vibratory Roller Model 825C, your go-to for low-maintenance, high-performance compaction. Thermite firefighting robots, powerful, reliable, and essential in high-risk situations. Designed for first responders, they offer fire suppression, situational awareness, and obstacle removal in real time. The cutter soil mix system uses a cutter head with 2 wheels, injecting cement mortar between them to create a uniform mixture. This allows the cutter head to effortlessly penetrate the ground. The Marti Group, a Swiss-based international contracting company. Check out their core machine in action at the Belgian Tunnel in Switzerland, handling heavy-duty work effortlessly over 3.8 kilometers. The Cat EX323 mining shovel is a massive machine, weighing 599 metric tons and costing around $10 million. With a bucket capacity of 36 cubic meters, it can lift 59 tons of material effortlessly. The Caterpillar 365C excavator is a powerful machine designed for heavy-duty construction and mining tasks. It boasts a 532 horsepower engine, a maximum operating weight of 67,000 kilograms, 147,710 pounds, and an impressive digging depth of 8.4 meters, 27.5 feet.
Witnessing the steam locomotive haul at the Great Dorset Steam Fair was an awe-inspiring blend of nostalgia and raw power, capturing the magic of a bygone era with breathtaking precision and timeless charm. Holy smokes, that's a decommissioned nuclear reactor. Talk about a heavy haul. 2.5 million pounds is like moving a small mountain. Emirate International is the real deal, handling this behemoth with the precision of a surgeon and the power of a locomotive. This ain't your average trucking company. These guys are the heavy haul heroes we need. Wow, watching a heavy haul truck leave the port of Tucson with a 427,000 lb transformer is a sight to behold. It's like those jokes men make about their wife's vacation suitcase weighing nearly that much. What a colossal load. Wow, witnessing a 30-ton gasoline truck recovery in the Sahara Desert with 3 man-cats is mind-blowing. The Holland Africa Tour's heavy recovery, powered by 900 HP, navigates the Sahara sand with sheer determination. During the Morocco Desert Challenge, the fuel truck, aiming to reach camp, veered off the official track and got stuck. The recovery effort used as much fuel as the truck carried, but man, that cat sound is unmatched. Witness the Antonov and 124 Ruslan, a true marvel of engineering, as it transports an Efacec mobile substation weighing over 90 tons to Buenos Aires, Argentina, for Edesur. This behemoth was loaded and took off from Francisco Sacarnero Airport in Porto. International cargo transport at its finest, courtesy of Antonov Design Bureau and Power Via. It's impressive. Even watching it, it's hard to believe it can manage to take off with such an immense load. Watch the extreme skills in action as an oversized lorry load navigates a roundabout. With 1 lead heavy haulage truck and 4 more at the rear, presumably for brakes, this abnormal load, a massive turbine, is the first of 3 being transported from Newport Docks to Hirwaun Power Station in South Wales. It's a jaw-dropping scene as this colossal load maneuvers through the valleys and roundabouts of South Wales with precision and expertise. Wow, check out Peak Oilfield Service maneuvering a massive Doyen drilling rig around a tight corner finesse. With over 40 years of experience, these guys know how to get the job done right.
Transporting Libya T282C mining truck is no small feat due to its immense weight. The national group tackles this challenge by removing its wheels before loading. Once prepared, it's moved using a specialized road rail system driven by 2 heavy-duty vehicles for added safety. To protect both the public and the operators, police escort the machine throughout its entire journey, ensuring a secure and smooth transport process. Witness the impressive sight of powerful trucks. Each one carries massive containers of raw materials, deftly maneuvering through a treacherous, waterlogged dirt road. With their robust wheels gripping the slick, muddy surface, These trucks traverse the hazardous terrain with remarkable precision. Watch as each vehicle safely navigates the challenging conditions. Witness the mighty Caterpillar 785D water tank, poised on a custom-built cargo system by NHH Hauling, ready for its journey. Before hitting the road, this colossal load undergoes rigorous inspections and, in some countries, requires government clearance to prevent damage to roads and bridges. Beneath the ocean lies a hidden treasure of natural gas and crude oil, accessed using massive floating platforms known as gas bars. These are transported by specialized gas vessels. In a record-setting feat, Equinor transported a 46,000-ton spar from North Korea to Western Norway, overcoming immense risks to achieve this groundbreaking milestone. The DT-30PM VTAS is a rugged two-link tracked vehicle with armored crew protection, ideal for transporting personnel, military equipment, and weapons in challenging terrain and climates without prior route reconnaissance. Unveiled in July 2023, the Class Xerion 12 epitomizes efficiency, durability, and comfort. Powered by a 15.6-litre Mercedes-Benz engine, it boasts an impressive 653 horsepower and 2,287 foot-pounds of torque. Expected to be priced around $650,000. This machinery is engineered to work non-stop round the clock, especially during the brief but intense peat harvesting seasons found across various continents. Finally, the New Holland CR190, a grain-guzzling marvel. This powerhouse rips through fields with its monstrous engine, harvesting an incredible 79.3 to 165 tons in just 8 hours. First up, the Space Shuttle Endeavour, having wrapped up its epic journey through the stars, is now being carefully transported to its new home at the California Science Center. Meanwhile, the U-7 submarine, fresh from its oceanic explorations, makes its way along the Rin River to the natural harbor of Speyer. From there, it continues its journey by road to the Speyer Technology Museum. Both these iconic machines, with their rich histories and awe-inspiring feats, are now on display, captivating all who see them with their extraordinary legacies. Watch the CAT 6015B transport truck glide effortlessly down the road, expertly navigating sharp turns with precision. The powerful machine, riding smoothly, demonstrates impressive agility and control, making each curve look effortless. The truck's steady pace and skilled maneuvering highlight its robust engineering and the driver's expertise. The Outbooster 1023, a veteran of Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy missions, now on display at the Kennedy Space Center. This iconic piece showcases SpaceX's leadership in space technology. While others are still catching up, SpaceX celebrates its groundbreaking reusable tech, marking the dawn of a new era in space travel. Moving gigantic transformers, often weighing up to 400 tons, is a massive logistical challenge. These colossal energy units can't be dismantled for transport, requiring the use of specialized hydraulic trailers that adapt to their size. With multiple axles and hydraulic suspensions, these trailers skillfully navigate tight curves and avoid obstacles like bridges and tunnels. Every inch of the route is meticulously planned, and sometimes temporary detours or reinforcements are even built to handle the enormous weight of these metal giants. RMS Contracting's Kenworth C509, armed with a TRT spreader and a massive 3-row 8-axle trailer, tackled tight hairpin turns with precision, transporting a Caterpillar 352 excavator to the Great Wellington Truck and Transport Show. Witness the sheer power and skill as this formidable truck conquers challenging terrain, showcasing its remarkable ability to navigate demanding roads with ease. Moving a 690 metric ton granite rock crusher and primary conveyor across challenging 8 to 10% slopes. Over several days, a 450 ton gantry precisely positioned the old conveyor sections onto the new setup. Despite tough weather, Mammoet executed the move flawlessly, with the entire operation completed in under 2 hours and no incidents. The journey of self-propelled modular transporters, SPMTs, began in the early 20th century, transforming shipbuilding with their innovative design. These powerful machines, like the Haraket, pioneered a new era of heavy lifting. Today, Peppercatch continues this legacy, offering cutting-edge equipment for your heavy transport needs. With a commitment to top-tier safety and quality, they ensure every operation meets the highest international standards.
Amidst the cold and snow-covered ground, the new Valtra A124 forestry tractor is a game-changer in forestry equipment. Designed with versatility and durability in mind, the A124 meets the rigorous demands of forestry operations. Its powerful engine delivers impressive torque and horsepower, handling heavy loads and challenging terrain with ease. The robust build ensures it can withstand the harsh conditions of the forest, from dense underbrush to uneven ground. So, between Valtra and MTZ, which one reigns supreme in tough conditions? The A124 sure makes a strong case. Taking a look at the Wolf Ridge Heavy Duty Industrial 35-ton box wedge wood splitter. This thing is a beast. The pros and cons of box wedge machines are laid out clearly, and the honesty is refreshing. Your splitters are selling like hotcakes. The versatility of this machine is truly impressive. Wow, watching the LW600KN wheel loader unload massive logs from the truck at the timber yard is impressive. I wonder how long it took them to gather such a huge amount of wood. Imagine a dense, overgrown field in mid-Missouri. The Cat 299D2 XHP rolls in, its Bradco MM60 mulcher head spinning. A seasoned pro from Blair Land Clearing expertly maneuvers, transforming the tangled mess into a smooth landscape. The sun beats down, but the operator remains cool in the air-conditioned cab. This isn't just land clearing, it's a testament to technology and skill.
Introducing the Jagoda 300. This Polish marvel revolutionizes fruit picking, eliminating the need for a picking posse. It's self-propelled with picking heads on both sides, ensuring no berry is left behind. The 7 Borealis, a $460 million vessel, measures 181 meters long, 46.2 meters wide, and has a draft depth of 16 meters. The Liebherr LRS 645 RE stacker. With its arch telescopic boom design and powered by a 270 kilowatt engine, it can handle up to 6 containers and lift 45 tons. The HEM 593R Cobra is the ultimate solution for tough jobs, effortlessly handling brush and wood up to 22 inches.
Reforestation plays a critical role in environmental conservation and ecological balance. Forests not only provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, but also serve as habitats for countless species. Plantma X represents a significant advancement in reforestation technology. Its ability to sow seeds accurately and efficiently over large areas will not only increase reforestation productivity, but also significantly reduce costs in labor. John Deere 1110E? Nah, call it the John Deere Mountain Goat. Seriously, this thing laughs at hills. But your bank account might need a defibrillator after seeing the price tag. We're talking $350,000. Traditionally, debarking logs was laborious and time-consuming. However, the Meber SLH has transformed this process. This powerful machine, handling logs up to 1.2 meters, demonstrates remarkable efficiency and precision. Its adjustable heads ensure optimal bark removal across various log sizes, consistently delivering exceptional results. The SLH exemplifies how technology can streamline once arduous tasks.
The UDS 232 wheel chassis boasts remarkable mobility, maneuvering effortlessly both on roads and in fields. Its versatility extends to forestry, mining, and even the oil industry, as depicted on the screens. Equinor set a daring world record by transporting a colossal 4,600-ton spar from North Korea to Western Norway, when no other vessel dared to take the risk. Meet the Volvo PL 4611 e-pipe layer. This rotating powerhouse takes lifting to new heights with its intelligent design and high-tech features. It's not just a side boom, it offers infinite placement possibilities and a unique 360-degree swing capacity. In the relentless dry season, the scorching sun bears down as a tireless harvester swiftly moves through the kidney bean fields. A swirling cloud separates the beans from their stalks in a dusty dance, filtering these tiny treasures, the building blocks for countless nutritious meals. The Kaiser S8 All-Road redefines mobile excavators with robustness, maneuverability, and efficiency. Its adjustable undercarriage ensures stability, a hallmark of Kaiser machines. Now, let's witness how the process of launching a ship into the sea unfolds. The Hitachi EX 1200 heavy machinery, known for its safety standards, cleared 2,000 cubic meters of concrete in Bredick, Isle of Aon, Scotland, enabling area development and reuse. The Massey Ferguson 8700S embodies quality, reliability, and performance, with high-efficiency SCR AGCO power engines delivering up to 400 horsepower, priced at around $280,000. Transporting a colossal airport bridge, 200 meters long and weighing 5,100 tons, was a mammoth task for Mamoe. Relocating it just 3.5 kilometers away, while keeping it at a height of 14.3 meters, posed a significant challenge. This machine can uproot 5 medium-height trees in just 20 seconds. But don't worry, they're replanted, not destroyed. The Kogan 640E duty cycle crane, with its robust design and 40-ton capacity, it excels in building special foundations. Now, let's watch the showdown between these two machines.
Looks like that tire coming off is the main reason why this truck is stuck here.
¡Socorro!
Praga 5.3 S really stands out when it comes to logging in rough terrain. A fantastic choice for any off-road tasks. That giant beast is coming closer, oh my goodness. Now that's an oversized, not oversized load. How long do you think this truck has been stuck here? What an epic recovery. That massive dump truck was buried deep, but those two big wheel loaders pulled it out like pros. Impressive teamwork. Old Mack truck battling that slippery hill. It's amazing to see how it handles the challenge. Incredible. Watching a 70-meter, 140-ton abnormal load maneuver through the narrow lanes of New Hall, Surrey is nothing short of breathtaking. The journey began in Luton, snaking through major highways like the M1 and M25, before making its way through the charming streets of Ottershaw and Shearwater. This isn't just a testament to the raw power of the machinery, but to the meticulous planning and coordination required for such a feat. Over-dimensional lift and shift, ODLS, maneuvering a massive 558-ton generator from Webb Dock to Loy Yang B Power was a jaw-dropping spectacle. After 14 months of production, this colossal piece of equipment was finally en route to the Toronto North Power Plant to replace its damaged predecessor. Over 3 intense nights braving torrential rains and treacherous conditions, ODLS showcased unparalleled skill and determination, making this high-stakes journey an unforgettable display of heavy transport prowess. Witness the majestic scene of ship spotting as 300-meter-long crude oil tankers make their way to Russian ports from the Dardanelles. This critical strait remains a key route for Russian crude oil exports despite Western obstructionism. This ain't your average delivery truck. Hunish is hauling not one, but 2 massive loads from Serov to Sudomyazhitz. These things are huge, with the larger one clocking in at 96 tons. It's like watching a pair of elephants on wheels. Hunish is showing off their heavy hauling muscle, navigating these behemoths through tight spaces and challenging terrain. This is what happens when engineering meets pure power. Whoa, this ain't your average late-night delivery. This is a 334-ton behemoth on the move, traveling from Gelsenkirchen to Minershagen under the cover of darkness. Seifert and Bender are the dynamic duo of heavy hauling, orchestrating this two-night spectacle with precision and finesse. This is what happens when engineering meets pure adrenaline. Watch the thrilling face-off between historic and modern equipment as the K700 tractor goes head-to-head with the Fendt 1050 at the Booster 2024 show. The excitement was palpable, and the whole crowd was on the edge of their seats. Truly impressive. Whoa, this ain't your average tow truck situation. This is a 740-ton power plant generator being hauled like it's a kid's toy. Kyle Schwertransport is flexing some serious muscle here. 58 axles working together to conquer that roundabout and creek crossing. This video is a testament to their commitment to safety, innovation, and excellence. They're not just moving cargo, they're setting the bar for the entire industry, no matter the weather. Northwest just completed an epic journey, transporting a 31-pound HP amine contactor tower over 1,040 miles of bridges, underpasses, and scenic Texas roads. This massive project also faced 2 tropical storms and 6 waterway lock systems over 13 days via intercoastal waterways to reach Port Victoria TX. With an overall length of 227.3 feet and a gross weight of 812,000 pounds, this operation was a true test of skill and determination. Stay tuned as the team conquers the final stage of this thrilling journey. This thrilling video showcases the journey of a brand new Cat 657 from the dealership to its job site. This powerful scraper, equipped with a twin-engine system for superior productivity, is built for large-scale earth-moving projects. Inland Heavy Haul's meticulous planning and execution in moving this machine is more than just a delivery. It's a promise of unmatched efficiency and performance. Witness the thrilling launch of Momola Defender by Diamond Shipyards, an ultra tsunami-resistant marvel. The ship launching ceremony was charged with emotions as the 1,000-ton beast, tethered by a steel snake, hit the water. But the drama peaked when the port bow cable stretched to its limit. Dangerously taut, it could have caused serious harm. Did no one anticipate this risk before the grand splashdown? Wow, 30 breathtaking seconds of the 2023 truck race at Convoy in the Park. Witness the BTRC Big Crash. It might just be more thrilling than F1. The snow-covered, slippery ground presents a real challenge for drivers. Dang, that demethanizer is a beast. 186 feet long and weighing 270 tons? That's like hauling a small cruise ship down the highway. This is a 653-mile journey through the rugged Rocky Mountains, hauling a 1.2 million pound load through steep grades and harsh winter conditions. And check out that convoy. 4 trucks, each with 600 horsepower, working together to conquer that 7% grade. Northwest Logistics heavy haul is the real deal, proving that they can handle even the most challenging oversized loads. Around 11 a.m., a truck driver veered off the road for unknown reasons, prompting an urgent call for help. The operations manager assessed the situation and immediately summoned the Feuchtlebruck Fire Department's crane task force. With precision and power, the Feuchtlebruck crane's cable winch successfully hauled the truck back onto the road. Witness the impressive return of Collette & Sons ballast wagons and modular axles, laden with truss sections from Allerton Steel. After a meticulous journey from North Yorkshire, 5 ballast trucks rolled into Collette's heavy lift terminal in Gould. These behemoths will now embark on a just-in-time delivery mission to London, showcasing the precision and coordination that defines Collette & Sons. Behold the colossal journey of the giant red Phone Arbeguet, masterfully transported by a man tractor. This specialized heavy-duty marvel, designed for the heaviest of loads, boasts a staggering gross vehicle weight of up to 600 tons, 545 tons, and an impressive width of up to 4.5 meters, 14.8 feet. Witness the sheer scale and power of transport engineering at its finest. It's absolutely incredible to witness the massive white tank being transported through Dechin. The sheer scale of this excess load is mind-blowing. 67.2 meters long, 5.8 meters wide, 7.55 meters high, and a whopping 398 tons. Ale's got that vintage vibe going on with those old truck cabs on the dollies. It's like a throwback to the good old days, but with a modern twist. And check out those power packs lashed together with ratchet straps. It's a little bit Heath Robinson, but hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This video proves that Ale's got the perfect blend of old school ingenuity and modern heavy hauling muscle.
That is a tight turn.
Witnessing two Iraq's trucks in Dubai handle the heavy haulage for a solar park was truly astonishing. The Al Ferris Group tackled the colossal task of transporting 10 massive tanks across the city, relying on 2 powerful Iraq's trucks capable of hauling up to 250 tons. With 240 tires on the trailer and 30 axles times 8, Mercedes proved its unmatched excellence once again. In a dramatic display of engineering prowess, a temporary iron bridge costing Rs 4 crore was constructed in just 10 days inside the Narmada Canal on the Tharad Vab Highway, Gujarat. This bridge, built to handle 2 colossal, machinery-laden vehicles, groaned under the weight and danger as they passed over it. those heavy trucks charging into the river with a spectacular splash. Aussie truckers are truly a different breed. It's amazing what they do out in the outback. How did he back that up for a second try? What do you think? Comment below.
Fierce, Deadwood.
This was probably the toughest route this heavy-duty driver had ever faced. Navigating through quicksand was incredibly challenging, but thankfully, a powerful cat bulldozer came to the rescue. Rameshwar Transport is navigating a massive ODC consignment through Burmese Rajasthan. This equipment is absolutely colossal, weighing hundreds of tons. The scene is intense and chaotic, highlighting a pressing need to optimize security and traffic flow. High Hall's Kenworth T909 and K200 were spotted doing a big move out of the port a couple of weeks back. Cheers to Boers for capturing this. It was so massive and beautiful, I almost thought it was a scene from Transformers. This is a 2,000-ton reactor being hauled across Bavaria like it's a hot dog on a stick. Schmidbauer and Sibi Verkeerstechnik are the dynamic duo of heavy hauling. Mother Nature threw everything she had at this project. But STB Verkeerstechnik didn't flinch. They battled heavy rain and challenging terrain to ensure the safe delivery of this massive reactor, flexing their logistical muscles with 22-axle SPMTs that look like something out of a Transformers movie. This is what happens when engineering meets pure adrenaline. Whoa! Witness the incredible sight of a 500,000-pound superload component being expertly maneuvered down Tussing Ard in Columbus, Ohio, on July 14, 2024. Hats off to Edwards Heavy Haul for their impressive professionalism in handling this massive task. Wow. Watching that Scania 113 navigate the dirty, slippery quarry road was intense. It needed a tractor to get through. The truck's owner clearly takes impeccable care of it. That 113 is pure gold. It must have been heartbreaking to see it struggle. What a stunning machine. God willing, I'll have one like it someday, perfectly equipped to my liking. Wow, take a moment to witness the epic showdown between Master Milo's WZT-2 recovery tank and the Mighty Cat 525C skidder and John Deere 8345RT. Did anyone really think this was going to go any differently? The sheer power and intensity on display are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Witness the new 75-ton Pacesetter Lowboy in action for service heavy haul in Seattle. Resembling the top-notch Aspen E-Series, this high-quality rig effortlessly transports a massive Cat 375 excavator, turning a daunting task into an impressive display of engineering prowess in sheer power.
Technological advancement in cable installation is revolutionized by this cable laying machine. It turns even the most inaccessible corners into part of a global network, offering unparalleled reliability and installation speed. Let's see if this bulldozer can conquer the rock. Let's continue watching the video. The Hitachi Capril Rheinwald, with a powerful diesel engine generating 500 horsepower, it is capable of efficient digging and braking, making it ideal for construction projects. Behold, not pipes, but the colossal roots of a skyscraper. Watch in awe as this incredible machine drives massive steel supports, some up to 12.5 meters wide, deep into the earth. Felbermeyer GmbH is embarking on an incredible mission, transporting a 200-ton polio plant using their advanced SPMT.
The 5170 fixed head design is a game changer, combining the best of two proven technologies, the TigerCat 570 harvesting head and the TigerCat 340-degree wrist. With its durable, high-performance features and a wrist float standard, it offers maximum dexterity and control for precise tree felling and feeding. Like all Husqvarna chainsaws, the 3120 XP boasts superior power-to-weight ratio. With smart start and well-developed anti-vibration and ergonomic features, this large chainsaw is both easy to start and operate. The Ponce Ergo Harvester has earned its reputation on thinning and regeneration felling sites worldwide for its reliability and dependability. With a turning angle of 250 degrees and crane reach options of 8.6 meters, 10 meters, or 11 meters, it offers versatility for various forestry operations. Plus, the Ponce traction assistance winch ensures high productivity, especially in steep ground operations. It's a true workhorse in the forestry industry. Introducing the BioJack 400 Combi, the ultimate forestry attachment for excavators, tailor-made for North American tasks. Priced at approximately 18,000 euros, this game-changing gear revolutionizes tree-clearing operations with its unparalleled efficiency and effectiveness. With the BioJack 400 Combi, cutting and handling trees has never been easier. Its innovative design empowers users to tackle forestry tasks with precision and speed, making it a must-have tool for any forestry operation. Say goodbye to traditional methods and hello to a new era of efficiency with the BioJack 400 Combi.